Alright, so you can see how tiny these details are. I mean, this is only about maybe ½ inch. And so this is kind of my middle size graver that I usually use to do all the really teeny tiny details. And I've been working really hard actually, so I have a pair of working glasses that I'll actually put on. And they're only for working, so they focus about 6 inches away from my, well, maybe a little bit more than that, but they focus a little bit away from my face. And that's what I use to focus. Or my eyes are just getting tired because I've been doing this every day. So a lot of times to try to make this go faster, I'll do the outlines first and then go in with the bigger graver. Try to cut these a little bit. And so this is basically what I do. Sitting here in my studio when the baby's taking the nap and the kids are at school. I know it might seem boring for some people, but I really enjoy this kind of work. And so, I mean, that's still smaller than I have pretty tiny hands, so that's still smaller than my hands. Then when I need to do the bigger areas, like this area right here next door, I'll oftentimes do kind of the edges with my skinny one. And then I'll go in with one of the thicker ones. And then kind of hack away as fast as I can. See, sometimes this little skinny one kind of digs in though, which is harder. And so then we can go in with this one. This one's the thicker one. You can see how it makes a bit of a thicker line than the other one maybe. And then those areas just get cleared out a lot. And usually I actually kind of work backwards. So I work into the area that I've already carved. And that way my tools don't dig in as easily, especially when I'm trying to go fast. And I've got those little dots next to my reed, so I want to save those. But that's pretty much it. That's how I carve. It takes a while, but I like the way it looks, and it's relaxing for me and enjoyable, so why not? Pretty good on the first try. I'll do one more.